2024 is finally here, bringing new opportunities for a fresh start. It's a time to set goals and explore exciting new projects. But to make the most of these opportunities, it's crucial to manage our time effectively. This is the printable business calendar that I've just created to guide me through 2024. Designed to help me achieve my goals, manage time efficiently, and effortlessly stay ahead of important dates. What makes this calendar unique is that I personally tailored it to both my professional and personal needs. While most digital calendars just flood me with notifications for events I didn't even ask for, this calendar only highlights the dates that I've carefully chosen to make the most of my time and opportunities. But this calendar is just the beginning. Think about it. A personalized calendar isn't just for me. It's a fantastic gift idea for friends, family, and colleagues. It's a simple yet effective way to help them achieve their goals this year. Hi, and welcome back to the official PDFelement YouTube channel. My name is Christina, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own printable calendar for 2024 in just a couple of minutes, so that this year you and your close ones can make the most of your time and stay organized efficiently. To create a printable business calendar, the first thing you need to do is choose a theme and a style for its design. This step could become a headache because even for an experienced graphic designer, experimenting until finding the right design could easily consume many hours. But hey, we are here to work smarter and not harder. If you use the PDF template creation tool in PDFelement and enter the word calendar into the search bar, you'll find a wide variety of calendar templates that you can download and customize. Simply choose a calendar design and click on Edit Now. Then you'll have an editable copy of the calendar ready to go. Which brings us to the next step, customization. To get started, simply enable editing privileges by going to the Edit tab. In my case, I'll set an image editing filter to avoid accidentally modifying anything else. Now you can select any image on the calendar and use the pop-up menu that appears to its right to replace the image. Or you can use the Add Image tool to insert additional images and create different compositions. Once you've added the images, you'll notice that by default they are placed on the top layer. This could potentially bury other graphic elements beneath the images that you've added. But don't worry, we can easily fix this. Simply select the image that is covering the other elements, right-click to open its contextual menu, and choose the Send to Back option located within the Z Order submenu. This way, we can adjust the images in the order and position that we need to make sure that we're not hiding any elements or hindering its readability. And speaking of readability, here's a quick tip I want to share with you. Pay attention to this button. Using it, you can open a Properties panel and adjust the opacity, orientation, and rotation of the selected element, allowing us to use eye-catching background images without affecting readability. And by repeating these steps with the remaining pages in our calendar, we transition from this to this. Awesome, right? In just a few steps, we've managed to create a calendar with a truly professional look. But there's still something missing. The next step is to mark the holidays of the year. But to do that, we need to ask ourselves a question first. Who are we designing this calendar for? And the answer is a bit more complex than you might think. If you're thinking of gifting this amazing calendar to a family member, friend, or colleague, you need to consider their personal interests. Each person has their own set of meaningful events or celebrations. And our goal, of course, is to make this calendar truly useful and special for them. This means diving into their world, understanding their traditions, where they come from, the industry they're involved in, along with well-known federal holidays to the calendar. All you have to do is click this button right here. This will bring up the AI sidebar, where you can chat with Lumi, the AI-powered chat GPT in PDFelement, and formulate a prompt like, list the public holidays for the United States, or any other prompt that you feel is relevant. With this information, we can start marking the dates on the calendar. For convenience, you can use the small button that appears when hovering your cursor over Lumi's response. And use the Note Creation tool to place Lumi's answers there. This way you can easily refer to these details while editing the calendar at the same time. Now that we have the information at hand, it's the perfect time to use PDFelement's editing tools and start making the relevant dates on the printable calendar. Using the Add Text tool from the Edit tab, you can add text boxes to label the holidays. If you expand this panel while editing a text box, you can adjust its formatting attributes to match the calendar's font style, adjust its size, alignment, color, or even underline it. And to highlight these labels, you can head to the Home tab and pick a shape, like a rectangle, to enclose both the day and its label. Then using the Properties panel, you can increase the line thickness and opacity to achieve a stunning appearance. Now with our calendar ready, it's time to plan its printing. If you go to the Organize tab and use the Size tool, a window will appear where you can preview how your calendars will look once printed. As you can see, the first thing we need to do is change the page orientation. Take a look at these two blank space margins here. These margins appear because the selected page size for printing is larger than the size of the calendar. To reduce their size, I'll need to choose a smaller page size. Personally, I recommend selecting the A4 page size. While this size won't completely eliminate the margins, it offers an appropriate measurement to use the top margins for binding the calendar pages with rings. Also, with a little help from Lumi, I can use the space in the bottom margin to add some motivational phrases. Now that everything's squared away, it's finally time to print our calendar. And that's it! All that's left is to find the perfect spot for your calendar or the perfect person to gift it to. As you can see, PDFelement is a powerful PDF document editor whose capabilities extend far beyond other PDF editors, enabling you to work more efficiently with less effort, just as we did today using the template library. Oh, and speaking of efficiency and templates, let me introduce you to HiPDF. HiPDF is Wondershare's web application designed for managing and editing PDF documents. Think of it as a portable version of PDFelement that you can access from web browsers. Just like PDFelement, it comes with a library full of free templates. Within HiPDF's template collection, you'll discover a diverse range of templates that you can download and customize using HiPDF's editing tools or even with PDFelement. So whether you choose PDFelement or HiPDF, you have a comprehensive tool for all your PDF needs. And that wraps up our guide on creating printable business calendars with PDFelement. Don't forget you can download PDFelement for free from the official Wondershare website, or check out the capabilities of HiPDF on the Wondershare HiPDF official website. Start exploring all the tools and templates that these powerful applications have to offer. Thank you so much for staying with me until the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, I would appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel below. I will of course continue to bring you more videos with many tips and tricks to make your work easier. You can also take a look at the rest of the videos on this channel, and there will be lots more videos just like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time.